What's up, party people? Today we're going to do yoga for the booty. Everybody wants a nice booty, don't they? Today you might need a couple of blocks for this practice, and we're going to go ahead and get started. We'll just start in table position. Activate the core, level out the spine. Reach that left foot back. Lift it up. Reach through the right arm and do some pulses. We'll do 10 of these. Spin that left pinky toe down. Reach through the fingertips. Lift that leg up really high so that you are activating your glutes. Good. Come to center. Switch sides. Left arm, right leg. Get that core active. Neutral spine. Spin that right pinky toe down and just do some pulses. Come back to center. Tuck the toes under. Come up to downward facing dog. Just do a little walk. Let the head hang heavy. Press into the mat to push the shoulders down. Then lift that right leg up. Spin the right pinky toe down. Activate the core. Intentionally pull that knee in. Shift the weight, shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, lift that leg back up with intention. Exhale, squeeze that knee back into the chest, shoulders over the wrists. Lift that right leg back up. This time, come forward, lift it back up, and then step it forward for this last one. Make your way up to a high lunge and twist to the right. Placing that left elbow on the right knee, hands in prayer position, then just lift the arms up over your head. Reaching through your fingertips, straighten the right leg, lift up that back heel. Do 3 of these. Go ahead, lunge into the pose. Inhale, lift back up. Good. Next time, just swan dive towards the floor. Place the hands under the shoulders. Step the right foot back. Go back to downward facing dog. Inhale, come to plank. Lift the right leg up. After you find your bearings, lower yourself down and lift up to upward facing dog. Really opening up the heart center. Roll over on the toes, go back to down dog. Lift the left leg up. Intentionally squeeze the knee into the chest, shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, lift that left leg back up. Again, we'll do 3 on this side. Last one, lift that leg back up, moving slowly with control, and then step it forward. Going to a high lunge. Use a block if you need to, or bring that right elbow to the left knee, twisting to the left side. Good. Slowly come out of it. Lift your arms up. Reach through your fingertips. Straighten the left leg. Lunge back into it. Straighten the left leg. Lunge back into it. Another one here. Next time you lunge, just go ahead, swan dive towards the floor. Step the left foot back. Just walk it out. Come to plank. Get your bearings right. Tuck the tailbone under. Lift that left leg up. Squeeze the elbows to the sides as you lower down. Inhale, come back up. Open the chest up. Look up towards the ceiling, back to downward facing dog. When you're ready, just walk or hop your feet forward. Forward fold here. Walk your feet together and then just lift up. Make your way into chair pose. Let your hips sink back as far as they can go. Tuck the tailbone under. Open up the chest. Hands to prayer position. Twist to the right side. Just put that left elbow on the right knee. See if you can sink the hips back a little bit more. Sink into the heels. Twist, hands on the floor. Walk it out. Sink the hips back. Lift up. Go back to chair. When you're ready, hands to prayer position. Twist to the left. Really work to open the chest up to that left side. Hands back to the floor. Step back to downward facing dog. Come to your hands and knees. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Activate the core. Lift the right leg up. Tap the knee, keeping that leg bent. Just keep bringing that knee down. Lift the leg up as high as you can get it. We'll do 10 on this side. Then reach back, grab that right foot with the left hand, open the chest up to the left side. Come back to center. Lift the left leg up, tap the knee, keeping that left leg bent, lift it up as high as you can. Do 10 on this side. Try to keep the core activated. After the last one, reach back, hook the foot with your hand, open the chest up to the right side. Come to center. And then just make your way into Pigeon Pose. Use a block if you need to. Keep your hips lined up with the short side of the mat. And then go ahead, activate that left glute, the right quad, lift up out of the posture. Arms up to line up with the ears. Really try to lift, lift, lift. Exhale. Come back to center. Just sink into the pose. Switch sides. Left leg comes forward. Cross it in front of you. Activate that right quad. Lift up out of the posture. Just hold here. Nice, hands back to the mat. Sink into the pose for a minute. Come back to your hands and knees. And then just make your way to a seated position. Lay back, leave your knees bent. Get set up for bridge. And then come up on your toes when you go into bridge. We'll just lift the right leg, tap the toe, lift it back up. Try to keep the hips level with the floor. We'll do 10 on this side. 3, 4. Really work to keep those hips level. And then switch sides. Excellent. Lower the hips back down. Feet flat on the floor, big toes point forward. Just make your way to bridge. Squeeze your knees into your chest. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this video. Make sure that you share with a friend, like, subscribe, and check out my other videos too. There's a whole variety of them out there. Until next time, my friends, may love and light be yours. Namaste.